guys are dying for me to talk about the love, the romance in the house, but prior to this, there haven't really been any romance going on. It's more of bromance and sisterhood or whatever that is has been happening in the house. But my girl Diane, the smallie of the house, is there playing with three guys: Nelson, Toyo, and Seji. And Toyo, you know you promised us a show, Mr. Part-Time Stripper, so when are you going to do something? Because for now, up to now, you're just there in the shadows, you're just there doing nothing. In my opinion, no. But Diane she's hugging one person, she's cuddling another person. She's just everywhere, you know. She's just manipulating, and I don't know if that's the way she is or if this is actually her own game. And then Jackie is over there with Kathy discussing about her boyfriend, about technology as usual. You know, she's just doing her thing. I feel like she's unique, but then again, it's an entertainment show, so we want to see more of you, Jackie. More of the liveliness, not about your technology, and less about your boyfriend that we don't really know and care about. We would love to see you just break the box and talk to a few more of the housemates. Speaking of romance, a lot of the girls have their eyes on Mike, you know. Even Ella, she made it very clear that if Mike was not married, he's just her type of guy. But Mike is married, and obviously he can't cheat on national television. But the guy is shining through because he's always lively, he's always smiling, he's always having conversations, unlike some few others that are just they're hiding, like Avala, Esther. We can't even see them. But Mike is just everywhere. He's talking about his experiences, offering advice. So I feel like he might really go long or far in this competition because he's just talking to everyone. He's making relationships. He even has a sister in the house now, Kim. Kim is his sister in the house. So I feel like Mike is a lively person and he's one to watch out for. When Fraud had his own diary session, he talked about Esther, that she's a diamond, that she's someone that you don't get to know her all at once and all of that stuff. And I was like, I've never even seen you talk to this girl before, so when did you make up this whole opinion about her? You know, he's just been a player. Maybe he actually has a thing for her, but we'll see whatever these feelings are evolve into something else as the weeks go by. So do you think Fraud and Esther will make a good couple? Let me know in the comment section below, because for me, I don't really see chemistry there because Esther is really cold, but Fraud is a lively person, but who knows, they might just walk out. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Speaking of love triangles, Ella seems to have a thing for Ike. And you know that Messi has claimed Ike as her own. She's always crossing her arms around Ike. She's always being around Ike. So it will be fun to see whatever happens between them. If there will be drama, if there will be friction. Or what do you guys think? Is Ike good for Thatcher, Messi, or Ella? What team, what duo are you supporting this season? With all of that happening, Big Brother seemed bored with what was happening in the house, and then he teased that some people might get evicted on Sunday. So it caused a lot of tension at the house. Everyone was just on their toes, like, eviction really so soon this week? You know, so everyone just got really desperate. And it wasn't about voting, it was about coins, BBNaija coins. With the lowest coins will have to go home on Sunday, and it just got everyone thinking, how many coins do I have? But then he was giving them a chance to play some games and earn some more coins. So Jeff, as the head of house, picked up 3 guys to lead the 3 teams, which got Thatcher really angry. Like, we have girls here. Why didn't you pick 2 girls and 1 guy? Why did you pick 3 guys? It's not fair. One, two. And then he said he's really sorry, you know? Because when they were all voting for head of house, they all voted guys. So why is it now a problem? Is it because they feel that you are going to get evicted on Sunday, or are you nervous because there's now a chance that you might go home? Why are you all of a sudden nervous? Or are you really a feminist? Or do you just want fair play all around? Then put that same energy in everything that you do. Put your girls first and don't come here and start causing drama for no reason. He said sorry, and then she was just kept on repeating the whole stuff. She didn't want to just quiet down, you know. But eventually, she calmed down.
This is the 4th week here, and you're calling out 3 guys. That's very, very funny.
As soon as the music came on, Tema put herself out there. She was just dancing, giving all of the Nigerian dance moves that are reigning currently. It was just fun to see that, you know, a lot of the girls were intimidated, like Thatcher, Esther, but Tema was just out there on the stage, on the dance floor, in their room actually, just dancing. And then Mike too, Omashola, Fraud, were just killing it with your moves, doing the fella dance, shaku, whatever they could do, they were just dancing, you know. And then the games. I feel for the white team, the reason why they lost, because the white team actually lost, was because Jeff slowed them down a lot and they were the first to go, so they obviously set the pace. So the other teams that came up, they were much more faster and quicker on their feet, and the green team finally won. So it put the white team in a very bad place because Mike and Ike had the lowest coins, and it made them really nervous, so they had to start begging for coins, and Avala got really emotional because she wanted her teammates to also have a lot of coins. And I'm like, girl, why are you nervous? Why are you worried about other people? What about your own self? Try to save your own self, because even Mike that had the lowest coins, he was just there, he was smiling, he was trying to cheer everyone else up. But Avala, Ella, and the girls on the white team, they just got really desperate. They got really angry, and they tried to come up with plans to steal coins, to beg for coins, to try to add up and make more coins for themselves. And then it was Saturday and the first ever night party at the Big Brother house. Everyone was dancing, although a few of the guys were just standing there doing nothing. But the girls were dancing. Esther came alive. We saw her dance. We saw even Tasha move her body a bit. We saw Messi dance, Diane, all of them were just killing it. And then after the whole party, Omashola's coins were gone. So as soon as the party was over and they went back to the house, Omashola discovered that his Bible had shifted, according to him. He said he kept his coins in the Bible for God to protect it for him, and he did not expect that somebody would go and steal his coins. I'm like, Omashola, even in the church, they're also thieves, people can steal anything, they can even steal your own Bible. So how much more the coins in the Bible? And then Ike came like a drama king. He was just crying. He was overreacting. He was threatening people. I'm gonna teach you how to steal coins. If this was real money, I'll murder someone. He was just out there doing so much. And then he threatened Jackie. She was so shaken. He was just shouting at people. He was just overreacting. And Omashola too was overreacting. He was like, I'm a worry boy, I'm 38, I'm not married, you think I'm okay? I did crazy for her. He was just doing so much in the house. And Mike was just confused. Even Issy was crying. She was like, it was just too much tension going on at the house because nobody wanted to go home. Everyone was desperate to have coins, and now they stole his coins. They stole 100 of his coins. Not even 20, not even 40. 100, and they left only 20 for him. So it was so funny. Whole drama. Some people were really lost in the crowds. I was suspecting Tasha because she was nowhere to be found. But you couldn't really point fingers because everyone was like at the party. So who went to steal the coins? Was it Biggie? Was it the ninjas that came in and stole the coins? Who actually stole those coins? Ike was reacting like Tupac is gonna do something. He has done worse things on the streets. He's stolen before. His mom needs money. His cousins need money. I'm like, Ike, everyone in this house needs money. I need money, so what are you talking about? Sit down and stop reacting. And because of the whole tension, Mike felt really bad. Mike has he had really small coins, but he wanted to even donate his coins to Omashola because the guy was just overreacting. He was threatening. He was even saying, was it Big Brother that took his coins? He should return it back. It's a joke. They should bring his coins back. He went to the pool and just sat down alone trying to cool down. No one could sleep because everyone didn't want their coins to get missing. Fraud was calculating who actually has more coins now. Let's know who the thief amongst us is, And they were all just so awake. They were just so alert. They couldn't close their eyes. And even we, the viewers at home, we were all awake watching them. We wanted to see what would actually happen, And then Sunday came, and we're all waiting for Big Brother's verdicts because Ike said a lot of stuff. He threatened lives. He made a lot of people uncomfortable. And if anything had happened that night, obviously they would all blame Big Brother. Probably he would also get sued. So he obviously had to tell Omashola and Ike to pack their bags, that they were all for possible eviction. So Omashola got into the diary room and he begged Big Brother. He said he had quit his job and he doesn't know what will happen if he goes outside the house. He was really sorry. And we really felt him. We felt he deserved another chance because obviously he was high. And if someone had stolen my own coins too, I would definitely react. After working hard for it, you just come and take 100 coins, not even 10, not even 20. You don't have conscience. It was a sad one. We were all nervous for him and Ike because obviously we love Ike, we love Omashola. They are very real and They're giving us what we want. They're giving us drama. They're giving us entertainment. So now the eviction was finally upon us. And at first, we were all calling Big Brother's bluff. We said they could not evict Mike or Ike or Mashallah because we loved watching them on our screen. And it's just the first week, so we said it would be a fake eviction. But Ebuka announced that it was a real eviction and 2 housemates would be going home. So they were all asked to announce the number of coins that they had. And it turned out that Isilomo, Gedoni, Kafi, and Avala had the lowest coins. And they were asked to move to another side, I think to the arena games, to play a short game. So it turned out that Isilomo and Avala had the lowest coins and they had to be evicted. It was really sad. I mean, what do you guys think? Especially for Avala, I was beginning to like her. She was showing more of her stuff and telling her story about being a single mother, about wanting to do all she could for her daughter. And even Isilomo was very lively, so it was really sad to see that they had to go home. But then again, it's a game, and I'm kind of glad that people like Mike, Ike, and Mashallah got another chance because they're way much more entertainment and much more lively to watch. But I wish Isilomo, I wish Avala all the best, and hopefully if they get another chance they can get to come back into the house. But for now, I think they're actually gone for real. Ike and Mashallah got issued a strike each from Big Brother, you know, for the whole mess, the whole shouting and the whole threatening at the house. So I feel like it was a really good move on Big Brother's part because you have to set the rules and you have to follow the rules. There's no threatening, there's no putting people's lives in danger, and it made a lot of people feel uncomfortable. So I feel it was a good move on Big Brother's part to issue a warning to them that something like this should not repeat itself. But we want to see more of the realness, so I hope that they would not become too quiet in the house and hide all of that flavor that we need for this season. And it's a wrap from me here from our studio at Plug TV Live. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Samantha Mahmood once again. I would definitely love to hear from you guys, so drop a comment. What do you guys think about Avala and Isilomo going home? Do you guys think it was the right move on Big Brother's part to evict so early in the game? Let me know what you guys are thinking. And also, I want to know your favorites. Is it Ike? Is it Mike? Is it Mercy? Are you Team Tacha? Let me know in the comment section of this post. And until next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms at Plug TV Live. Until next time.